Next thing we have to think about in terms of joining that super successful is we have to be solution-oriented. We have to be solution-oriented. Your value to the marketplace, not value as a human being, not value anything, but your value to the marketplace is the way you solve problems. The more problems you can solve, the more valuable you are to the marketplace, individually and as a business. Okay? So, how do we solve problems? Well, one time, Dr. Norman Vincent Peale, the famed preacher of the Marble Collegiate Church for about 50 years and the author of The Power of Positive Thinking, one day, Dr. Peale had a problem. And so he was instructed to go talk to this wise, old, eccentric man. So Dr. Peale was at his wit's end, so he decided, okay, I'll do it. So he went to this guy's house, and he shared the problem that he was having, and the guy just stood up, and he started walking around the room, kind of heaping something up in the middle that was not even there. So Dr. Peale kind of looked at him and goes, what are you doing? Well, I'm heaping the problem up. What do you think I'm doing? You got to heap a problem up. You got to get it all in one place. Now, Dr. Peale's getting a little bit concerned at this point, but he's figured, okay, I've already got one foot in the pool. I might as well jump all the way in. So he let the guy continue. Then the gentleman stopped heaping, and all of a sudden he took his finger and he started poking. Now Dr. Peale's going, sir, what are you doing? Well, I'm looking for the soft spot, of course. Every problem's got a soft spot. You just got to find, there it is. There's the soft spot. Now, as crazy as that sounds to us, what that guy did was he got the creative juices flowing for Dr. Peale. And they were able to solve the problem. And that's the key for all of us. Every problem has its solution many times closer than when you think it is or where it is. You have to look for it. And that leads me to my third step for the super successful, is that creativity. How do you build that creativity? Well, one of the easiest and most difficult ways to do it is to use the 20-answer creativity method. This was developed by Earl Nightingale. Earl Nightingale, if you don't remember that name, he had a worldwide radio show many, many years. He's been dead for probably about 30 years, 20, 30 years, if not longer. His most famous thing was The Strangest Secret. If you've never heard The Strangest Secret, get online as soon as you get out of here today and get a copy of it. The Strangest Secret is the first audio recording, spoken word recording, that had a gold record. The Strangest Secret. Now, Earl Nightingale had this 20-answer creativity method. And he basically said this: write your problem on a piece of paper, whatever it is, and then write 1 to 20. And start coming up with ideas on how to solve that problem. Now, the first ones are easy. It starts to get really tough around 17, 18, 19, and 20. And you'll have to really dig deep. But it's amazing. It's amazing how many times the answer that you need to solve the problem that is in front of you is in 17, 18, 19, and 20. And that will solve the problem. Now, experts say that we are all in one of three places. We either just came out of a problem, sometimes known as a crisis. We're either in a crisis right now, or you're heading for a crisis. So what I want you to do, and jot down your notes right now. Obviously, we don't have time for you to do the 20-answer exercise at this very moment, but I want you to write down on a sheet of paper the problem you are dealing with right now. If you don't have one, wait a day. You'll do the exercise tomorrow then. Commit yourself to going through that exercise. It is hard work, but it does work almost every single time.